Welcome to today's unboxing video on DongCheng Cordless Grease Gun, a high-performance, portable lubrication tool engineered for maximum efficiency and effortless use. Whether you are a professional mechanic, an industrial worker, or someone who regularly maintains heavy machinery, this grease gun is designed to make lubrication tasks faster, easier, and more precise. Here are some key features and benefits of DongCheng Cordless Grease Gun. One of the most notable features of the DongCheng Cordless Grease Gun is its portable charger with an indicator, which plays a crucial role in keeping your tool powered at all times. The real-time battery level display ensures that users never run out of power unexpectedly, allowing for seamless and uninterrupted operation. This feature eliminates guesswork and helps professionals manage their workflow efficiently. Equipped with a powerful 2.0Ah battery, this grease gun provides long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional manual grease guns that require constant effort, this cordless model delivers consistent power, reducing downtime caused by frequent recharging. This is especially beneficial for professionals who deal with multiple lubrication tasks throughout the day, ensuring that they can work efficiently without unnecessary interruptions. For enhanced precision, the grease gun includes a durable oil pipe, which is designed to facilitate a steady and controlled flow of grease. This mechanism prevents over-application and minimizes waste, ensuring that the right amount of lubrication is applied exactly where it is needed. This feature is particularly useful when working with sensitive machinery components that require precise greasing to avoid damage or inefficiency. Additionally, a built-in light indicator enhances user convenience by providing clear visual alerts when the device is in operation. This indicator also serves as a warning system, notifying users of potential issues such as low battery or clogging, allowing them to take immediate action and maintain optimal performance. The host unit is ergonomically designed, prioritizing both durability and comfort. Professionals who use grease guns for extended periods will appreciate the well-balanced structure, which reduces hand fatigue and enhances usability. To further improve reliability, the grease filter system effectively prevents impurities from contaminating the grease, ensuring high-quality lubrication. This feature plays a vital role in extending the lifespan of machinery by preventing blockages and maintaining smooth operation. For added convenience, the grease gun includes a belt attachment, allowing users to carry it hands-free. This feature is particularly useful in industrial environments where quick access to tools is essential. With its advanced features, ergonomic design, and high efficiency, the DongCheng Cordless Grease Gun is an indispensable tool for professionals. Upgrade your lubrication process today. Get yours now and experience seamless performance like never before. This grease gun is a must-have tool for professionals, ensuring smooth and precise lubrication in various industrial and mechanical applications. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click for more video notifications from gz-supplies.com. Thank you.